Today, we are diving into a topic that's going to get your wallets excited: how to earn money from SEO clerks. If you're ready to turn your skills into cold, hard cash, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of harnessing the power of SEO clerks to boost your income. Watch this video till end as we will discuss everything from setting a profile to getting your first order. So let's not waste another second and jump right in. Before we start, let's quickly cover what SEO Clerks is. It's a dynamic online marketplace that connects freelancers with individuals and businesses in need of various digital services. Whether you are a content writer, graphic designer, SEO expert, or social media guru, there is a place for you on SEO Clerk. Your journey to earning starts with a stellar profile. Think of it as your digital storefront. Show off your skills, share your experience, and highlight your past work. A professional-looking profile not only attracts clients but also builds trust. Once your profile is polished, it's time to explore the marketplace. From writing and design gigs to SEO optimization and social media management, SEO Clerks boast a plethora of opportunities to suit your talents. Creating a gig that stands out is essential. Craft a compelling title and description that clearly showcase what you are offering. Use high-quality images or samples to provide a sneak peek into your expertise. Don't forget to set a competitive price that reflects your skills and the market demand. Customer satisfaction is key to earning repeat business and positive reviews. Always aim to over-deliver on the quality of your work. This not only leaves your clients happy but also boosts your credibility on the platform. Now let's talk about leveling up your earnings. Offer extras or premium packages to provide added value to your clients. This not only increases your revenue per order but also shows clients the range of your skills. Don't just sit back and wait for orders. Promote your SEO Clerk services through your social media profiles, website, and even YouTube channel. The more eyes you get on your gigs, the more potential clients you will attract. Networking is not just for LinkedIn. Engage with other freelancers and clients on SEO Clerks. Building relationships can lead to collaboration and even more repeat clients. As you complete orders successfully, your reputation on SEO Clerks grows. Positive reviews, timely deliveries, and open communication are your best friends here. The better your reputation, the more clients you will attract. The link of SEO Clerks is given in description box below. Click the link, create your account, and start your freelancing journey. So this is your ultimate guide to earning money from SEO Clerks. With the right approach and a sprinkle of determination, you can turn your skills into a lucrative source of income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so that you never miss a valuable tip. See you in the next video.